So today I'll be showing you everything that I've crocheted so far. I started learning how to crochet around the end of January, so it's been around 4 months. Anyways, let's just get started. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this daisy top. This is the first clothing piece that I've made. It's basically just a bunch of granny squares that I combined together and then added the straps. Honestly, the fit could be better. I feel like it doesn't fit that well, but I mean, I like it. I think it's cute. Next up, we have this patchwork cardigan inspired by the Harry Styles cardigan. I actually have a tutorial on this cardigan, so I'll put the link in the description box if you're interested. But again, this is just a bunch of squares sewn together. But yeah, there are actually a lot of patchwork cardigan tutorials on YouTube, but I just really wanted to make one with like a bigger sleeve. Okay, so the last clothing piece is this cardigan. It's still a work in progress. I still need to add the ribbing and the cuffs to this, but this cardigan, I made it using a waistcoat stitch because I really wanted to make something like that looks knitted. Maybe I should just learn how to knit. And it's a cropped cardigan, and I think I want to make a matching top with it. So it kind of looks like the Kendall Jenner top and cardigan set that she wore. I might embroider flowers on this, or I've been seeing like puffy flowers cardigan, so I might just add those puffy flowers instead, but I still don't know. Next up would be all the amigurumis that I've made. So we're gonna start with this guy. He's super thick. It's definitely my favorite one. The pattern is from Club Crochet. I believe it's called the Chubzilla. I just used a bigger yarn and a bigger hook to make this bigger because the original tutorial is actually like this size. It's basically just the same thing. But yeah, I just wanted to make a bigger version of it. Next up, I have this bee that also kind of went viral on TikTok a few months ago or maybe last year. The pattern is from Hooked by Robin. I also made it in a smaller version and it's so squishy. I actually like this one better. It's the same exact pattern. The only difference is I use a different size yarn and a different size hook. Next, we have this tiny triceratop. The pattern is again from Club Crochet. I used the same yarn that I used for the bee. Next, we have this Totoro keychain. The pattern is from Amigurumi. I believe she also has a tutorial on this on YouTube. Okay, so here are just some other random stuff that I made. I made this bandana. Honestly, don't know where I'm gonna wear this. I feel like I could have made it wider and longer. I feel like it kind of fits weird on my head. But yeah, I don't know where to wear this to. Next, we have this bucket hat. See this? I kind of figured out the pattern myself, but I don't really like the fit of it. I feel like it just doesn't fit right on my head. I feel like it could be better. I might recreate this, but honestly, I don't even know where I'm gonna wear a bucket hat to. But yeah, that is everything that I've made so far. There's actually a lot of other stuff that I want to attempt to make. I really want to make like a checkered bag and also a like two-tone cardigan and a lot of other stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.